Okay, welcome to today's video, guys. So today I have a special tutorial due to a request I got from someone on how he can generate a card, how can generate a Barter card. Now, Barter, you can use Barter card to make payments online. Now, there are some services you want to pay, and your local cards, your Naira cards or whatever currency cards you are using, you can't just use them on some websites. So you need some virtual cards that you can use to make payments, dollar payments or whatever currency payments. But Barter is going to help you generate dollar cards that you can use to pay for services online or purchase products online. So for instance, if you want to, how Barter works is very simple. Now you go ahead and create an account on Barter. I'm going to leave a link to Barter's website under this video. Just go ahead, click on the link and then register an account. It's free, you're not paying anything. So the next thing, once you create the account, you want to fund your Barter account. Now funding your Barter account is going to be in your local currency. Now I'm a Nigerian, so you can see I have a current balance of 38 Naira, which is far less than half of a dollar. So you can see, so if you want to fund your account, you're going to fund it from your local bank, whatever bank you're using. Yeah, it could be a savings account, current account, whatever. You fund it inside your Barter account. If you have your ATM card, you can just head over and click on fund. How much do you want to fund? If I want to fund 10,000 or 20,000 or whatsoever, I'll just go ahead and then input the amount I want to fund into this account, and then it's going to direct me to payment gateway where I'm going to make payments to fund my Barter account. So it's very simple. There's no any difficulty. It's just like you purchasing stuff online. If you've been buying products online, then you'll be able to do such something like this. So you just go ahead, pick up your ATM card, and then you'll be able to fund your account directly from your ATM card or whatever means you want to use to make payments. So once the page loads up like this, just go ahead and then input your card details, and then once you have your card details, and then you just go ahead and make your payment, your purchase, and you can pay with, you can pay with your short code. If your bank has a short code, you can go ahead and pay with short code service, and then just select your bank, and then you'll be able to make, I use UBA, so I just go ahead and then make payment with my bank. So whatever means you want to use, just fund your account. Once you fund your account, then you can now proceed to generate a dollar card. So let's go over now and see how to generate a dollar card. Okay, so we are back to our dashboard. So if you were able to fund your account correctly, so you get to see your new balance right here. If it's 10,000 you funded, it is 20,000. You're going to see it intact right inside your Barter balance. So this is what it's going to show. So next is you want to generate a card from the amount you have funded. If you want to generate maybe you need $10, $20, $30 or $100, you should have calculated the amount, the equivalent of how much you will need. So if you, for instance, if you need like $10, they should have funded an equivalent of $10, so you'll be able to generate a card worth $10. So just go head over to cards section, go to cards, and then you'll be able to generate a new card, be able to create a new card. So your card which you're going to create now is just like your regular cards that you can use to pay for your shopping needs online, and then maybe pay for services online. So go ahead and create a new card right now. Okay, so you can see this is my current Barter card. You can see my current Barter card, which I have 38 Naira as the current balance, and I have this is the last Barter card which I generated. So you can see I have the details, I have the value true, and then I have the CVV under. Yes, you can see I have the card number. I don't want to show the CVV, so you can see I have the CVV next in the next section, so you can see. So let me check. Okay, let me just click here, so we'll see the details of my recently created Barter card, dollar card. You can see so let's see, you can see, okay, I think it's blank, so let me just show you everything. So you can see I use this to pay for a service, $29 in 11th of May. You can see I funded $29 and then $1 here. You can see $29. So you can see I use it for my online subscriptions online. So you can see, so it's very good. You can also use it to verify your PayPal account. If you create a PayPal account, so you can use it just in $1. Just fund the account with the equivalent of Naira here, and then generate a new card. You go ahead and then create a new card. So once you create a new card, how much do you want to fund in dollars? So if it's $1, if it's $5, $15, any amount, just go ahead and then select the amount you want to fund, and then you create a new card. So once you create a new card, it will automatically generate, it will automatically create the card for you as you've seen earlier on. So it's that simple. So you can see customer does not have sufficient funds in their barter balance, so it's not going to proceed. You need to have an equivalent of the amount you have to get your card generated. So once you have your card generated, you're going to have the details of your card. Just come over to card section and then click on the dollar card you just funded, and then you get the name of your card, the card number, and then the CVV, and then billing address, and then zip code, and that's all. And anytime you don't want to use the card, just like now, for instance, I've reviewed some details of my card for you. I can just freeze this, so no one will be able to use this. It's going to become card freeze successfully, so no one's going to use access. No one will be able to use the details of this card to make purchases or anything. So my card is safe, and once you are okay, you want to use your card, you can just come over and then switch it on, and then you are good to go. So that's how you can create a card on barter. You can create a card and use it to pay for any service online in dollars, or pay for a product, buy a product online, or use for your shopping needs online. If you have any question about this video, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, just click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell beside it, so you get updates on my recent video. You can go to the video section of my channel. You're going to find lovely, valuable videos that's going to help you succeed online. So don't forget, one thing is, if you have any question for me, go ahead and comment under this video and ask your question. I'm going to try as much as possible to reply you in due time. I'm going to get a notification when I reply you. So in the meantime, I think that's all for now. So take care and enjoy the rest of your day. I'm going to see you soon. Stay safe and bye-bye. Okay, one more thing, just in case you don't want to leave comment under this video, you want to speak to me one-on-one, maybe for privacy reasons, and YouTube does not allow that. So you can actually head over to Facebook, connect with me on Facebook, and then ask me a question right here. Yes, you can ask me a question on Facebook. Just come over here, click on my name here, right here, and then ask me whatever. Join me, send a friend request. I think somewhere here, send me a friend request. I'm going to accept you, connect together, and then we can mingle and talk together. So that's all about that. So thank you for watching once again. Don't forget, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.